Hello my crafty friends, welcome to Peacock Way. In today's project I'm making mixed media art journal page. So I'm using this stitch stamp. I'm using mixed media paper and acrylic ink for stamping. I'm using different stamps. If you are watching my videos or this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so you can see my videos as I post it. So now I'm using all different kinds of stamps for this project. I'm using the grungy stamps. And then I'm using some of these mini stamps to give more texture. Now I'm using gold acrylic paint. I'm just going to put a little bit here and there, not like a lot of gold paint. Now I'm using blue acrylic paint. This is like a metallic acrylic paint, so that's why it is little opaque. You can add little more water and dilute it also. Now I'm going to heat everything and dry it. I'm using this dilution spray. Now I'm going to dry everything again. Then on the top I'm putting little bold stamps so that it brightens up. Then I'm taking this black paint and I'm going to apply it in different areas to give that a real grungy look. Or you can, if you have a stamp, you can even use stamp, it's fine too. Then I'm going to splatter it. Then I'm going to check it and see where I want to place my focal point. So I'm using different stamp for making it look like a grungy. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to stick this focal point. I'm going to stick the coat. I'm using this Tim Holtz coat book. So I have a book where I stick all these pages, so I'm going to be sticking in that book. And then I'll finish it by drawing the outline. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button and turn the notification on. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project. Thanks. Bye.